Hey guys, it's me, Bronk. Don't mind my ugliness and don't mind that because it's a bed thing and I have to take it out of my room and I still haven't gotten there yet, but my bed's up. It's just, that's an old one and I just haven't gotten to take it out of my room yet. And yes, I'm vlogging right now because why not? And yeah, it's late at night, it's tapestry right there. I don't know, I thought it was cool to be in my window, and yes, there's a stocking hanging right there because, you know, still haven't gotten out of that Christmas spirit. But yeah, this is also kind of like a haul video, but not. Also, guys, I got bangs, if you haven't realized, you know, Haley Morales up in here, her wannabe, just kidding. But yeah, I got some stuff off Amazon, and I thought I would show you guys because, you know, yeah. I have my makeup in this Barnes & Noble's box because I ordered something off Barnes & Noble's, you know. I love reading. Just kidding. They were bath bombs. They're somewhere. They're over there. Over on the floor. On the floor. On the floor. But, yeah. I'm also going to show you what my friend got, too, because it's in this. If my friend got me for Christmas, too, because it's also in this box. So, I don't know why I keep doing that. But, yeah. So, I was going to try and set you up on, like, on something, but you know, my phone's plugged in and we only have one hand, so we're just gonna try. First, I got, you know, COTY AIRSPUN. Wait. Oh, I just got really confused. You know, I can't say that. I'm not highly educated, and I thought it just said AIRSPUN and there was just scribbles on top. No, it says COTY. But I got COTY AIRSPUN, and I got it in the wrong shade, of course, because, you know, I get everything in the wrong shade online. So, we're just going to deal with it. I've done my makeup with it before. It's lightens my foundation, okay? Because my foundation is way too freaking dark. So, yeah. So, I got COTY AIRSPUN in the rosy beige. And it's, like, so dark on me. I'm going to try and show you. So, I got it, like, in there. Like, look at that. It's not translucent at all. It's so dark. Like, ooh. Sorry, my nose is running. But yeah, it's really, really dark. Okay, so that was that. And this is my favorite thing I got because, you know, you don't have to get the right shade at all. I got Mario Badescu, I don't know what it's called. The rose water spray. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it. It was $7 on Amazon, but it was still an add-on item. You had to spend $25 to get it for $7 still, but like, it's amazing. Don't mind my ugliness. Like, yes, queen. It tastes sweet. But if you want your skin to be really, really hydrated, I really recommend that. So, yeah. I got 2 of these, but the other one's over there. But I got the LA Girl Pro Concealer. But I'm so energetic. In light ivory, and it's legit orange. It was so light online. If I can, I'll put a picture of it that it looks like online. I'll try and put a picture of it, but if I can't, you know, oh well. But yeah, it's so dark on me, but you know, it works with the foundation. But yeah, I got 2 of these. Were legit $2. So yeah, you know, I got Prime, so I got it in 2 days. So yeah, I got the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Fair, the lightest shade on there, except for the white one, and I wasn't going to buy the white one. I would have bought it to lighten the foundation if I had the money for it. It wasn't that much, but like, I got with the Christmas money, and I didn't have a lot of Christmas money left to buy it, so I didn't have enough money for the white one, so I couldn't get the white one, sadly. But when I get money next time, I'll get another thing of this. And the white one. I heard that this is like a dupe for the, what is it, Makeup Forever, like HD foundation. So yeah, it's pretty good coverage too. So yeah, and so is the concealer. Concealer's really, really nice. What else did I get? Oh, my eyebrows itchy. Hold on. Let me get these out of here. Okay, so I got a makeup brush set. Let me get all the eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so it came with like 5 eyeshadow brushes. I don't know, if we find more of them, then, oh well. So first it comes with this like flat one. These were like $9 too, like $10 for this whole set, which is really good. So it came with this flat one, and it's like, I don't know what it's for, like covering pimples, I guess. I don't know. But I haven't used it clearly, so yeah. Then I have this like dense brush. Like, can you see it's dense? I use it for like concealer or something. I don't know. I'd probably use it for the wrong thing, but whatever. There's no like actual purpose for each makeup brush, so yeah. I got a blending brush. Obviously, I use it for blending. Did I get eyeshadow on my eye? No, I have to wash my makeup brushes. I never do. But yeah, looks like that. And then I got an angled blending brush, which is really, really nice. I just haven't gotten to using it yet. So yeah. Then I have this like other dense one, and it's good for putting stuff on the lid because it's like perfect shape. Like, look at that. Perfect for getting stuff right on the lid. I'm trying to remember what brand these are, but I really don't. It's like, I don't know, but they were like, how much money? They were $10. But yeah, I'm gonna get the face brushes to the set. Okay, so these are the face brushes. They're pretty thick, like me. Just kidding. But the first one is my favorite one. It's it's BS Mall. They say it on these brushes, but not on the eyeshadow brushes. I don't know. Does it say it on these ones too? Yeah, it does. Okay. But it says it's a face round. BS Mall. That's the brand. BS Mall face round. And they're gold and black. So if you want to get it, they're $9 and $10. So yeah, I use it to blend my foundation out. And it's really nice and dense to really blend it out. Like, I absolutely love it. Did it like put foundation on? I don't know, but really like it. Then I have this angled one. I think I use this, but I don't remember using it. Maybe, I think I did use it, but it's the face angled brush. So like, it looks like it'd be nice for like maybe cream contouring, but I don't do cream contour. So yeah, or it could be a foundation brush as well, but it's really, really nice. And then I use this for concealer, which is not for concealer, but I use it anyways. It's the frickin' frick. Stop being frickin' frick. Frickin' frick. Face tapered brush. And I just go like that. And really just blend it in. And I really like it for blending my concealer. But whatever. Do what you want. There's no rules to makeup. I mean, sometimes there is, but I don't go by it. Obviously, if you can see my makeup, I'm not wearing makeup right now, but when I do, the BS Mall face flat brush, this is really for foundation. It's actually more flimsy than the other ones, but it's actually for foundation. I just stopped the video because I heard someone calling out. I don't want to hear me failing. But yeah, it's actually for foundation, which I don't use it for foundation. But yeah, I'm probably never going to use this brush. Whatever. And then I have the BS Mall face flat angled. So it's like the Kabuki one, but just angled. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for. I don't know. We'll figure it out another day. Dab on my hair. Okay, so also I got a phone case, a clear phone case, and 2 screen protectors on Amazon, but I can't show you those because the case is on, and the screen protector, one of the screen protectors is on, and the other one's downstairs, and I don't feel like going downstairs and to grab it. So lazy life. But as I said, I'm gonna show you the makeup brushes my friend got me. I got eyeliner on one of them. I got eyeliner on some of them. That was definitely my fault. That was definitely my sister's fault. So she lent me new ones. I'm so nice. So the first one is a flat concealer brush, as you can see. Eyeliner. It's not supposed to be there. No, it's not. But yeah, there's concealer, which I don't use it for concealer. I don't know what I will use it for. Another concealer brush. Won't use it for concealer. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'll use it eventually. Then my favorite brush. So much eyeliner. So much. Gonna clean it. It's just a blending brush, and it's really soft and perfect for getting in the crease. So, and then this flat like kabuki one, like mini eyeshadow. It's like a mini kabuki brush, but for eyes, I don't know. But yeah, look at these cool handles. Like, it's so cute. And then just like this like blending one. I don't know what this is for. but it's cute and it has eyeliner on it because my sister. So now to the face ones. They look like this. And this is the Kabuki one. It's so not dense. But, like, it's so soft. Like, I could just, like, oh, my God. Okay, someone's walking by again. Okay, so, yeah. Oh, but, yeah, that was a nice brush. This is just a powder one that I just put powder all over my face with. And it's super nice. And, yeah. I literally replaced all my makeup brushes with these ones. So, yeah. Then I have this one. I use it for contouring when you're not supposed to. You're supposed to use this for contouring, but I don't. I haven't used this brush, but it would be nice for contouring, but I don't use it for contouring. I use this one for contouring, and sometimes I try and highlight with it, but it never works. So, yeah, I don't think I got anything else on Amazon for Christmas. No, I don't think I did. I don't think so. But, yeah. Basically my vlog, which really was a haul. But yeah. Oh, that was really loud. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Also, guys, I got a new phone. Got Samsung Galaxy S6. So yeah, that's what I'm filming on right now. Because, you know, I don't have a camera because I'm not gonna waste my money on a camera if I'm not even big on YouTube. So yeah. All my social media will be down below and stuff, so go follow it, and I'll try and link the stuff I showed in this video down below, but it may take a while. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, most importantly, subscribe. Also click that bell to get notified every time I post a new video, because I'll try and post more. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Love you. Peace. Stay bad. Bye, guys. Sorry for my crusty lips, they're really chapped. I'm sorry. Bye, guys.